Hey you guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am very excited to share a new skincare brand in the market. As you know, I love trying out new skincare products and you guys always want recommendations when it comes to skincare. So I'm very excited to try this new brand called Ecosaa. It's a perfect blend of science and nature all in one. And as always, this is going to be my honest first impression. I'm trying these products for the first time. We're going to try it together, review it together. So let's get started. Quick disclaimer before we get started, these products have fragrance in them. So if your skin gets irritated with any sort of fragrance or scent, then please take a note. You can do a patch test before you try any of these products. So now let's start the step-by-step skincare routine with Ecosaa. So let's start with Ecosa's Micro Defend Face Cleanser. So this one is a pH balanced formula and it comes with ingredients that really deeply cleanses your skin while also protecting your skin's natural barrier. I'm really excited to try it. Let's go. So firstly, I really like the packaging. I like the texture of the cleanser. It's really nice and the smell is also really good. It's very refreshing. It did really clean my skin very well and my skin does not feel any sort of tightness and it feels actually very hydrated and very clean. It does what it says and you can use this both in your AM and PM routine. So you guys can add this cleanser to your daily routine. You can use this in the morning or in the evening to double cleanse with this, which by the way is super important. Next, I'm going to move on to the Bio Replenish Powder Scrub, which is a blend of kaolin clay, salicylic acid and aloe vera dry extract. One disclaimer here, I do not scrub my face every single day. It's something that I like to do once a week, especially in the weekend or if I have an important event to attend. The reason I like the scrub is because it's a powder scrub. So it's very gentle, it smells nice and has ingredients that leaves my skin feeling really smooth and very refreshed. And since this one also has like hydrating and soothing ingredients, your skin, it doesn't really feel like tight or parched. It actually feels hydrated even after an exfoliation. All skin types can use this and I feel like if you consistently keep using this, you're going to achieve a very radiant looking skin that's soft and supple and hydrated. I feel like my skin is already like glowing with just using the scrub. Next, I am going to use the Aqua Renewal Toner. Now, this could be a part of your AM routine. It's made with aloe vera extract and glycerin. Let's try it. This product will hydrate, balance, and prepare your skin for the next steps of your skincare routine, and all skin types can use this. For serum, I have two options, so I'm going to apply one on each side. The first one is the Intense Hydra Serum. Now, this one could be a part of your AM routine, and this is a very lightweight serum, and that's easily absorbed into your skin, and this really helps in giving you that radiant, youthful looking skin and also helps in evening out your tone and reducing any sort of pigmentation that you might have on your skin. The next one is the Glow Boost Serum. Now this could be a part of your PM routine. It has Kakadu Plum extracts and it really helps in any sort of aging or fine lines and wrinkles and also really keeps your skin very hydrated. This is also cruelty free. Both the serums are equally amazing and you can pick one up according to what your skin needs and what you need to solve in your skincare routine. If you need an intense boost of hydration, then you can check this one out. And if you need more of a youthful, radiant, glowy looking skin, then you can try this one. And if you have oily skin, then you guys are going to love the serum because they're both so lightweight. For moisturizer, again, I have two options, so I'm going to try one on each side again. The first one is this Hydra Soothe Moisturiser that you can use in the morning. It deeply hydrates and restores your skin. It's very lightweight. It very quickly absorbs into your skin without leaving any greasy residue, and you will have long-lasting moisture. So if you have dry skin, give this one a try. The next one is the Collagen Boost Moisturizer. You can use this in the PM. It has a blend of caffeine and Kakadu Plum extract, and this will target visible signs of aging, and it'll promote a more youthful and radiant complexion. It's very deeply hydrating, and it leaves your skin feeling very supple, moisturized, and protected. And again, this one also has a very lightweight and a non-greasy formula. Also, another thing, we already have collagen in our skin, but it tends to deplete as we age. So if you're in your mid to late 20s, then you can pick this one up, and the other one you can use for all ages. Lastly, I have something that you guys can include in your shower routine.
The Ecosa's Chura Butter Soap. It comes in 3 variants and it helps in skin detoxification, gives me a long-lasting hydration, and also leaves me with a super soothing and calming skin. It's just a perfect addition to your body care.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys had fun watching me try all of Ecosa's product. You can go ahead and check out Ecosa's website and also use my code Debasree15 to treat your skin with the best. Everything is linked in the description box. So go ahead and check them out and shop now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, and you can also share this with anyone who enjoys skincare, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope I see you again very soon. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.